Alright everyone, thanks for visiting keyword-tool.org. This website was put together and is ideal for domainers looking to find available domain names. So what you can do is you can put huge lists together of potential domain names, use our bulk domain checker to see which ones are available, and for any that you want to register, you can quickly register them very fast rather than doing one at a time, which can take tons of time. So if you look on the left margin and the right margin of our website, you'll see that there's all sorts of types of lists that you can do. Going all the way down the page here, we will be adding more over time. But first what you'll want to do is you'll want to look here in the middle. These are the directions. And the first step is to generate a list. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just generate a list. In this section here, it's a city keyword tool. Let's say you want to register chiropractors. And let's say you want to get chiropractors for all the major cities. So I'm going to type chiropractors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click submit. And you'll notice that the list has just loaded up here. So now I've got all the major cities all the way down here. I can go down and highlight this entire list. I can copy it. I can go back to my page, go down here to step 2, and I'll load up our bulk domain checker. And it just takes a second. Okay, here we go. So what you can do here is you can drop them into this little box here. You can do up to 500 domains at a time, so on some of these lists you're going to have over 500, so you might want to drop them all into Excel and then highlight column A down to the end of 500, and then you can copy all those, paste them in here, check them, and then you can do the rest after that. I'm going to just search for the .coms available. I'm going to enter in the keyword code here, and what it's going to do is it's going to search for the availability of all these names. It's going to remove out the ones that are already registered, and it'll let me know which ones I can currently go ahead and register. So I'm going to click search. And all these ones that say error here are the ones that are currently taken. So you can see it's a very popular type of domain name. But when you scroll back down to the bottom here, all the ones that are left in the box are still available for registration. So let's say, for example, you wanted certain ones. You could come in here and wipe out the ones that you don't want. Close it together, and then you could click search again, put the code in, hit search, and it's going to allow me now the ability to register the domains. If you already have a login, you can log in here, or if you're a new customer, you can log in right here, fill in your information, and then just follow the steps and it'll walk you through the checkout process. And that's how you can use keyword-tool.org. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our program.